tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
I'd say that's a pretty nice way to start out the halfway mark of 2019. First day of July. Perfectly sunny skies out there right now and a very light wind. It's a warm one as well. Let's take a look at another view. We'll drop south to Kalamazoo. Bright blue sky out there at the noon hour. Humidity starting to creep up once again. We got a little bit of a break. It went down just a touch this past weekend. Here's a live view of South Haven. Now here's what we're going to have to contend with this morning. If you're at the lakeshore, occasional areas of fog will drift in the marine layer with a light west-southwest wind. So yeah, if you're out there on a boat, you might want to be a little careful. Okay, that beach forecast, it's ideal. Otherwise, we're looking at water temperatures continuing their trek upward. A 70-degree water temperature in Ludington, also Saugatuck, also South Haven. So pretty good beach weather overall. And those water temperatures will remain on the warm side, it looks like, right on through the holiday. Good news there. Temperatures, very warm inland area, 79 currently in Traverse City, 82 in Grand Rapids, also Chicago. I notice they have cooler temperatures just west of Chicago. That's where some showers and thunderstorms are. Dew point now, 68 in Grand Rapids, 69 Holland, 68 in Kalamazoo. So they are creeping up into the uncomfortable category. Once again, when you combine the two, the feel like reading in Grand Rapids, mid-80s, 88, that's what it feels like in Kalamazoo. And keep in mind, we still have several more peak hours of heating to go. So I think that heat index temperature will likely top out between 90 and 94 degrees this afternoon. Wind out there is out of the west, so if you want relief from that heat, the place to go is the beach. Latest visible satellite radar composite, showers and thunderstorms on the other side of the lake. And that's really been the theme over this past several days. You can see more off to the west in the UP and further west. And we missed out on a massive round yesterday. You could see how close it was, kind of like a force field, if you will, of Lake Michigan, everywhere west of it. Numerous reports of high wind in particular, a couple reports of tornadoes as well. And you can see just wind reports alone, 359. But once again, unscathed here in West Michigan. What about going forward? Marginal risk for severe weather. I think a really, really low would be tonight if it happened, especially north of I-96. Once again, a higher threat of severe weather further to the west. Tuesday, marginal risk basically over much of lower Michigan. I have to keep an eye on that as a weak cold front drops south. Here's the future cast. Really not a whole lot going on once we get in the overnight period. As I mentioned, better chance north of I-96 for showers and thunderstorms, especially M20, the US 10 area. Those will move eastward. I think by daybreak tomorrow morning, it should be drying out once again with partly cloudy skies emerging. And then a chance of showers and thunderstorms once again possible during the day tomorrow with the cold front dropping south, interacting with that very warm and humid air mass. And as we head into Wednesday morning, I think Wednesday now is looking drier than what we have in the 8-day forecast. We'll see if that pans out. Here is that 8-day forecast. Humid conditions, very summer-like, right on through the 4th of July, and that will continue right on through Saturday as well. I think a sharper cold front will arrive on Saturday. That's why we have a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms. And then after that, a little bit cooler and less humid for Sunday and Monday. So right now the tail end of the weekend looks nicer than Saturday. And you see those chances of showers and thunderstorms. Again, just chances from time to time.
And scattered as well, so just keep an eye on where you are.
Quite scattered. Most of the time I think it's going to be dry.
Good, thank you, Dad. I do survey.